Just redid the scape, so this is it now. Looks pretty new. Still got algae and stuff all over the plants, as you can see there. But I did clean the rocks and stuff off. It's still cloudy. It'll look better tomorrow. It clears up. But yeah, that's what it is for now. I'll have to probably treat it at some point in time. I'm gonna get some cleaners for it. We'll see what happens. We'll try to get it going a little better here. I'll probably add some more plants to it too. I have more Mortalas to put in there, so we'll see what it looks like later on. Yeah. He looks beautiful. Look at his colors. Yeah, he looks real nice. Beautiful little orange guppy. Here's the big ghost shrimp I got here. He's massive. Like an inch, maybe longer than an inch, about 1.25 inches long. There's a black molly right above him there. They all seem to be okay with the tank. I redid the water and everything in here, so. There she is. These two little guys down here, they don't seem to want to go nowhere else, but the big shrimp, he's running all over the place. But these two seem to be content right here in this little hole. Here's the big shrimp. He's all over the place. He can't get settled like these two, but yeah. Like I said, wait, let it clear out. Let's see what it looks like tomorrow. We'll go from there. All right. Yeah, beautiful fish, beautiful fish.